Don't stand there, Jack. You might get splashed.
Fucking, you meant to pick me up! Oh!
Right. From there, we're going down 2 goods. Everything's fed and bedded to a certain extent up here.
I'm a bit disappointed in this business.
Yes, I know, because I need to make a packer. I got to squash the plastic down inside the thing so you can pack
Well, it's
more
very
in.
disappointing. I paid lots
I've got to
of money.
make a packer.
Well, you want to put that in the top of your head.
I got other things that's at the top of my head.
Sure you have. Oh, I wonder if curtain twitcher will spot us.
Don't know. Wave out if you see her. You picked a crap day to come and help me, Jack, didn't you?
Yeah, seems like it.
Mr. Mills. You wait until winter gets here and it gets wet and horrible.
It's wet and horrible. Twat.
Oh. You any good at opening combination locks?
Nope.
Oh, rubbish. Oh no, you're gonna have to get out and open that combination or keep your foot on the brake. One or the other.
What is it?
Hey?
The number.
Oh.
Two hours later.
Fucking stupid bastard thing.
Oh God.
Where's the number go?
At the top, see
What
the
other
line?
Fucking stupid piece of shit.
You bought it!
Piece of shit. You made me buy it then.
I did not. Right, I gotta go through that field there.
Oh, right, yeah.
So you just gotta open up.
Through that shit.
All you gotta do is stand there and open up that gate.
I gotta get through all that shit.
And then shit, that's clean.
Clean?
Yes.
That is not.
Just open up them gates and I gotta go out there with a bail. The ballerina.
Why is everything
right, which
fucking
rail
tied
shall I-
up?
How?
Everywhere you go, is fucking string.
Oh, swine, come off. Look, anyone would think it was cold out there. Look, poor old Jack. Out in the bloody cold. wouldn't stand there, Jack. You might get splashed.
Fucking, you meant to pick me up! Oh!
Oh dear. Flipping hell. Oh my God, this field is ridiculous. Look at the state of it. Oh God. Right, this could be. All right, babies. Nice bit of silage for you. Hey? We'll get you in soon. All right? You listening? Whoop. Look at that. Bloody terrible. Cocking up my field. Should have been in. There we go. Let's see if we can splash Jack again. Damn, didn't happen. Never mind, eh? Ooh, she got it. Come on, darling. Was that fun?
I haven't put that stupid bit of string back on there. What the fuck is that for? What the fuck?
Look, you don't need the bit of string.
Well, why was it on there all tied up?
I don't know.
What idiot would think that needs string? Fucking hell. Honestly, Ed.
Oh, fucking kicked her off now. Look what's happened. Oh. Come on, lot.
What was the string for? I really don't get the string.
I don't know what the string was doing on there. I don't. Did it? As far as I was concerned, it wasn't even tied.
You've got a job to literally to pull the thing up. What the string? I honestly, beyond me. What idiot thought that needed to put the string round? It was absolutely amazing. Because I'll tell you what, there's no bugger, no cow who's going to lift that off on the road. String, I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Better safe than sorry, eh?
That is just honestly the most ridiculous thing I've seen so far today. And that great big heavy thing, string.
You having fun?
Oh, I nearly got stuck in all that mud, and then you splashed it all over me with the tyres of the tractor.
I never, did I?
You done it on purpose, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I knew that was going to happen.
Yeah, exactly. You knew it was going to happen, so you
yeah,
just
but you
left
shouldn't
me
have
to do
stood
it.
there, should you?
Well, how could I move? It was just
Well,
I was
there's a
sunk.
whole field to get out the
and
way.
did you see the mud?
What
I would have
mud?
stuck in there like you did the other day. And I would have never got out again.
Oh, dear.
I just can't go over the string.
String gate now.
What the fuck are they thinking?
What have you done with my bit of
I was
string?
in the fucking muck. Fell off.
You're joking. You'll have to go back
Was
and
it
pick
you?
that
Did you
up.
put that on there?
No! What'd you take me
They
for?
must have more time than they got sense. Stand there tying that up with string because there's no way the little cows get that undone, is it? And a job to lift the bloody metal thing. I'll tell you what, with some cow, they could do that.
We got clever cows, mind.
Yeah, not that bloody clever. Unbelievable. Thought we'd go Leicester's.
Yeah, but we're going down in a Land Rover or something.
Why?
What do you mean, what?
Well, we're in the tractor now, it just makes sense to carry on.
Well, no, it's fucking so far down there in the tractor for no reason. I mightn't even have to put a bale in. I just got to go down and see how much grub they got. If they got enough grub, I'll leave them. If not, I think they may need one bale down there. One, maybe two. I don't know. Until I get down there, I don't know. I'm just guessing. So, we just got to go down and check them, especially with this crappy weather. I know they're inside, but they don't have empty bellies overnight. So, we've got to feed them up. Let's go down and do that, and then the job's done then. Then they'll be all yours for the rest of the day. Good, isn't it? Fun. Fun, fun, fun.
It's quite bumpy, isn't it?
Yeah, you have to buy me a new tractor with a suspension on the buddy seat. You can get that. Do you know that? It'd be really good. Oh dear.
Fucking string on that key, honestly. That's the funniest thing I've seen for a week.
Oh dear.
Bloody hell. Can't make it up.
Right, let's get Nick the Land Rover, go down Leicester's. That's the next job.
Is that it then?
That will be it then. Once we've done them, everything is done.
Look at it,
Obviously,
guys,
this
a nice
afternoon I've got
stroll.
to push in fucking.
You just pushed in.
Right, babies, enjoying that? Good. Glad you're pleased. Right, you jumping straight in Land Rover?
Yeah, I'm
Let's
just
go.
washing my boots.
That don't do nothing. You can spin that to your heart's content. I don't have it on two because flat outs are bloody noisy. What do you want it on? What do you want? Where do you
Blowing
want
hot
it?
somewhere.
Yeah, it'll blow hot somewhere. Hang on, is it going? Oh, it's doing. It just takes a little while to warm up. Oh, it's half warm.
Why is the engine light on?
It's always on. It's a Land Rover. What do you expect? You warm enough yet?
Nope.
He says he's warm.
I was lying.
Warmish. Fucking have to do something with that bloody jack.
Why is he chucked it in here?
Well, he's just plonked it in here and it's just rolling around.
Yeah, but why? Why didn't you just leave it out of the phone?
Because he keeps it in here just in case you get a puncture. But he normally puts it under the seat and ties it in under the seat.
Oh, he's a meddling bugger. Oh, you want to lock him in the house.
Right, now we'll look at them. Assess whether they want any hay.
Got
Alright?
some more here.
Yeah, that's his lambs from the ewes. Make sure you get it all, or otherwise it'll cause problems. Right, we'll let them out. Let them have their yard. Back. Here we go, they're hungry. Feeding time. You're a big boy, aren't you? Big little fatty.